All right, real quickly, I'm just going to make sure I'm going to log in here and make sure that everything is logged in correctly. I think it should be, but I just want to double check that this live is going good. We are going to vibe code a software in real time. I'm going to show you how to do this live. So welcome to the stream. If you have any questions, go ahead, just throw those in the chat. I can see all of the chats right here, and so go ahead, throw those in the chat if you are joining live. I'm just going to log in over here to my TikTok to make sure that everything is logged in correctly. I think we should be good to go. But again, welcome to this live where I'm going to show you how to use AI in real time to be able to go build out. Awesome, welcome. I'm just going to rename the title here. How to build simple tools with AI. We'll just name it that. Perfect. Going on Facebook, it should be. I'll just check on my phone here. It should be going on Facebook and should be going on YouTube. Let me just double check that that is working. If you are just joining the live, go ahead and just throw in the chat where you are joining from. Let's see here. I'm gonna just double check that the live is working like it is supposed to. It looks like it is on Facebook. Let's just join on Facebook here. Okay, it looks like I'm sure that my software is working like it is supposed to. Okay. Perfect. And we are live on YouTube. Okay, perfect. Awesome. Well, welcome. I'm going to show you guys how to, in real time, go build a tool for a local business owner. I think this is an extremely useful tool. I think it can help business owners. I also think that it can help people that are wanting to help business owners. And again, if you guys have any questions during this live at all, go ahead and just throw those questions in the chat. But let's just go jump right in and show you exactly. I use AI, and I have been helping business owners use AI to be able to better their businesses. And right now, I think there is an amazing opportunity for not only business owners, but those that want to help business owners with AI, and specifically for creating small tools. So if you are joining this video, I'm gonna first give the whole tutorial on how you can do this. And then if you have any questions during the tutorial, you can absolutely go throw those in the group chat. That way I can go see what questions everybody might have, and then we will go from there. So the thing that we need to do for vibe coding or using AI to build a tool for a local business owner is we need to go find some kind of pain point. So for example, we need to ask the question like, hey, business owners, what do you hate doing? What are you wasting your time on? What are you spending a lot of time on? What overall are you using a lot of your time as far as AI goes? Then, or you can say, hey, what's repetition in your business? What is something that you're doing week over week over week that maybe could be delegated off to an AI tool that would make your business more efficient? So that's another angle that you can take this. Or you can come back a week or two later, and then they were losing sales because of the process. You can go find a big time waster, or just go pick a big problem that they're having. And so let's see. Right here. So the example that we are going to use today is most businesses hate having to do quotes manually. They're having to use a calculator, or they're having to use a spreadsheet, or they have an Excel document, and they're going and do these quotes manually. And I'm going to show you how with AI, you can actually go create a customized tool to be able to help a business owner not have to do that manually. You can actually legitimately build them a tool. And so we are going to be doing you can go ahead and just fill in the blank on what the problem is and then go build a tool for them. For this training, we are going to go build out a quote calculator. And so what we need to do first is we need to figure out what it is that the quote calculator is going to do. And again, you can go fill in the blank and go do this with whatever tool that you want. Just going to simply type in, hey, so I want to build out a quote calculator tool. I am a landscaper, and we offer things like sprinkler repair. We do lawn mowing. We do maintenance. We do sprinkler installs. We do basic landscape design. And basically, I just want to build a simple estimate calculator. And I'm wondering if I were to go build this out, what might be some good functions that I would want on that calculator. And so we'll go ahead and throw that in here. And we're just basically going to use AI to be able to help us build the item here. Maddie, welcome. I steal your items. Welcome. Thanks for joining via YouTube. We got a couple of people on TikTok Live. Guys, thank you for joining on TikTok Live. And again, if you are watching, go ahead and press the like button or share this out. I'm going to be showing you how to build a tool for a local business owner to be able to help them with their business using AI. So if you're just now joining, we've already decided that the big pain point for a business owner would be that they hate having to go do quotes manually. They hate using a spreadsheet, or they hate having to go do it on a piece of paper with a calculator. And so we are going to build them a quote calculator, all of the different AI technology that's coming out. And so right here, we used AI and we decided, Kate, it says there should be service-specific inputs. It should be a property size estimator, add-on upsell options, reoccurring versus one-time toggle, bundle discounts, estimate range, contact capture at the end, and a PDF or shareable summary. Okay, beautiful. So it just gave us all of these things. And I'm just going to say, this is amazing. I would like for you to turn this into a prompt that I can use in a vibe coding tool. Perfect. So just like that, we're going to send that over. Hello, welcome, quote calculator. And again, you guys can go do this for any business. I'm just going and doing this for a generic landscaping company because of the sake of the training here. But basically all I'm going to come do is I'm going to just go grab this whole entire prompt, and then we are going to come over to a wonderful app that I like to use called Go High Level. Now I already have a Go High Level set up. If you don't have a Go High Level, I will have a link for you. You can go grab a 30-day free trial, but this is something that you can go inside of Go High Level, and it is a wonderful feature. And this is, again, something you can go apply to your business or go sell it to other business owners if you're looking to create a little bit of side income. So there's a lot of opportunity here. And we're just gonna come into AI Studio, and then all we're gonna do is go paste that prompt. And so right here, landscape quote calculator, here's all of the different functions and stuff. And then we're going to go ahead and press send. It looks like you guys are spending a lot of time building out a quote or having to do quotes every week. So let's go build you out a quote calculator, something that is type. Here's the size and scope. Here's the location. Now, again, mine's pretty generic. We used Claude for this, but you would obviously go put in all of your details. So you'd go put in all your different businesses, your different services that you're offering, the different upsells and things that you have, any kind of pricing structure that you might have, because the more information that you can give it, ultimately, the better. And then what we're going to do is go High Level AI Studio. We're going to go paste that prompt in. So describe your tool, and then we're going to let AI go build it. So it's almost like you have an AI coder on your team, and we're just going to go hand it over to that AI coder, and it's going to build the tool for you. So let's just come back over here, and you can see right here, here is the to-do list. So it's set up the design. It's going to be a green-white theme. It's going to generate an OG image for SEO. And then it's going to implement the quote calculator component and price, do things like create images so that it can be SEO optimized and all that kind of stuff too. So if you guys have any questions as you guys are watching the video, go ahead and throw those in. I do see all the chats right here. So whether you're joining from YouTube or TikTok or Facebook, go ahead and throw those all in the chat, and then I can go see those there. But we're just going to let this finish here. And once it's finished, we're actually going to go test the tool. So we're going to go into this next step, which is it's kind of a repeatable system here. It's a cycle that we're going to go through, which is we're going to prompt it, review it, refine it, and then prompt it, review it, and refine it, and make sure that it's just really, really good to go. Now, if you are joining live or if you're watching this later, one thing that you are going to notice is the fantastic part about this is it's only been 10 minutes and we're already customizing and building out a tool that will be extremely useful for a business owner. They're not going to have to go to an Excel spreadsheet anymore. They're not going to have to go deal with a calculator anymore. It's going to be a customized tool just for them that's useful and specified just to their business. And this was never really possible without spending a bunch of money before, but now with AI, it's obviously very, very possible. So we're just going to come right over here. System. It features a multi-step flow, dynamic pricing logic, a bundle discount, lead capture form, and a printable summary. Wow, this is pretty awesome. Okay, so let's go. And also, I just kind of need something maintenance, like ongoing, somebody for the summer. And I might have some broken sprinklers just over the winter and some frozen pipes and stuff. So if you guys could check that out too, that would be great. And then it's like, okay, awesome. How big is your house? Well, it's about 3,000 square feet. And so what we're going to go do is just say, okay, it's about 3,000 square feet. Sprinkler repair, it only needs to be done in 2 zones. And we need to go replace 5 different heads. And then as far as the maintenance, they only want us to come back every other week. So let's go see the estimate. And so right there, it actually built out the estimate for us. So awesome. It's going to be about $30 to $60 for lawn mowing. Sprinkler repair is going to be about this much. Lawn maintenance is going to be this much. We are going to give you a discount though, because you're bundling it all together. So your one-time cost, it would be about 100 to 210, but your reoccurring cost will be anywhere from 84 to 160. So you know what, let's just sign you up for $125 and let's get that going. So we're just going to do get formal quote. We can go put in all their information. So like for me, we'd go put in Braden, Carter, and then I'll just go put an address, Main Street, New York, and then just some kind of random phone number here. And then john@example.com, and then submit request. And just like that, there's the quote, and we can even save it. So I'm kind of curious to see what that will do, if it's done anything or saved it over here. And it doesn't look like that button works yet, so we might just need to make that button work. So let's just say, let's see if it gives us that suggestion. So please make the print and save PDF button work. Just like that. Okay. And so now it's going to go work on that fix. So again, we are prompting it, we're reviewing it and refining it, prompting it, reviewing it and refine it. And we could go change all things here. Like we could come back and we could change the questions if we wanted to. We could go change the pricing if we needed to go change the pricing. We could go change the estimate tool or whatever. Like this is truly all within our control. We can go change the logo up here, and like, this is just like, look how awesome this is. This is something that we've been able to build in less than 15 minutes, and it's something that we can give a business owner, and it's going to genuinely help them. And you could easily go charge $500 to $1,000 for a tool like this, and it's a tool that's theirs, and it's useful, and it's helpful for them. So, okay, implement and print the save PDF functionality in the quote calculator. So right now we're just making sure that it actually will create us a PDF. That way we can send them a PDF like, hey, here's your estimate. Let us know what you think, and we would love to get working on that for you. So, okay, that's all done. So let's go try it out again. We're going to do just lawn mowing and lawn maintenance this time. There's the reoccurring cost, get the formal quote. We'll just put in all random information here. Okay, and we'll just put in some test email, john@example.com, submit request, and save this PDF. So let's see if it saved it there. Doesn't look like it's working yet. It may be just because we actually need to publish the tool. Perfect. So then honestly, we could just keep going and making the tweaks. Then the next step here is we would actually go play this for the customer. So we'd actually go take this over to the customer and we'd say, hey, look at this tool that we built, or an external tool. So this is a tool that a business could use themselves as they're trying to figure out quotes, or this is a tool you could put on your website to let people. And then the last thing that you can do, very, very easy, is you can deploy and deliver. So you can embed this on their website. You could set up alerts if you want to. That's one of the really nice things with Go High Level, is every single time you save a quote, you could have it go send them an email or have it go send them a text, and then internally get a text saying, hey, somebody just filled out the quote form to go get an estimate. So really, really cool things there. And then once it's all good to go, launch and monitor it. Just make sure that it's working, make sure it's giving the correct quotes and all that kind of stuff. But guys, just like that, in 15 minutes, we were able to go Levels AI Studio. So that's where the training ends. If there's any questions that I can help answer, if anybody has questions, go ahead and throw those in the chat. Would be more than welcome to answer some of those questions for you. But if not, we can just end the stream there. But just wanted to give a quick tutorial on how you can actually start to go build legitimate software for people by finding the pain point, choosing the tool that could help them, mapping out the logic, going and opening up AI Studio, prompting it and basically just making iterations, and then testing it and then deploying it. So is there any questions that anybody has as far as how to use this tool, where it might be useful, and different things like that? All right. Well, with that, guys, thank you guys so much for watching the stream today. Again, if you have any other questions, please feel free to send me a DM. You can send me a message. Come find me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, whatever. Send me a message on whatever ones you're coming from. And if there's any videos that you want me to do next or trainings you want me to do next, please feel free to reach out and let me know what those trainings are. If not, guys, it was so good seeing you. I hope you have a great